Alright, this is what I'm going to do today. So this is my ripper for my 50. What is this stuff here? So that's 1-inch material. Sorry, I don't have COVID. I don't know, I'm getting over a bad sinus infection. They thought I had strep, and I don't think so. I've got so much drainage now that I'm getting better that it had to have been a bad sinus infection. But anyway, so sorry for the coughing and all that. But so I need to make a template of some bucket ears. So I figured I'd do a 10-fold. I kind of like these bucket ears the best out of all the ones, out of all the equipment I got. 2, I kind of want to put some serrated teeth, maybe kind of in this area. I don't know. I mean, that's 1 inch thick. I don't think me cutting in teeth into that is really going to take some strength out of that. And then this is webbed up. I mean, that's probably quarter or 3/8 on that. So I thought about, just doing, I guess you probably can't see that, just doing kind of some shallow shark teeth or something. I don't know, but let's work on trying to trace this bucket ear first. I went ahead and took the pins out. Took the pins out of it. I didn't really want to do that on the ground. I wonder if I put a block under that. I want to be able to get kind of that conformed shape around it without that's not gonna cooperate. Thought maybe it'll work. I got PB Blaster all over it. That's what I was kind of hoping for, to be able to do something like that maybe. I want it more so like that maybe. Layer on the wrong side from what I'm doing here, but I've got a pencil, carpenter's pencil. I'm kind of laying it flat on the steel. So and while it's there, just try to mark the inside of those misalignment bushings. I assume that's what they call those. That looks all right. That's kind of what I'm going for. I'm going to cut that out with a jigsaw. But I'd like to, everything else seems to have, like a really big misalignment bushing. That's what I'm calling these, or ear bushings, whatever you want to call it. I'd really like to find just a decent sized piece of tube like that, to where I can have this through hole, whatever that size is, and then I could easily take these and just have my buddy David, he could machine out, machine the tolerances and kind of radius them on the outside, and just make a bunch of them the same width, and then I could drill a hole in my drill press. So let's burn 1 inch. Let's see. Probably want to go no further than maybe there, maybe there, maybe here. I don't need a bunch. I'd like to have some serration to where I can kind of rip through those roots. Really can't get any plunge here because everything else, but maybe if we start it there. bite and then let it round up. I can kind of see what I'm wanting to do. You know, if we were, say we had a hole, maybe I need it down here. You know, something like that. Give it some tooth, but I guess if I did my hole on the edge here, I could just cut into it like that. That might actually, you know what? I think we're just gonna drill a hole in this thing. I don't know. Let's do it on a piece of steel. I got plenty of steel. I've got like some 1/2 inch. Give me a minute. I'll get something set up, and I'll drill some holes with the mag drill, and we'll see if we can get a tooth pattern we like. That way we can get the spacing done and all that. Sit that around there. Damn it. All I've got is drainage. Making me choke. Goodness gracious. The scale will sit on there. Slid around in that paint. For some reason, I thought he told me this is AR. That's not AR plate. I guarantee it. Can. Let's see if it'll mag there. I don't think so. Oh, well, I guess it will. Let's get some. Here goes nothing. Pull one of the handles off. Hit. Well, I don't know when my GoPro died, but it died. But here's what I came up with. It's not super consistent because down here I really started to perfect it. I kind of like this tooth and this tooth in here, but I'd already tried something different here and I really didn't love it. So I tried to make it mimic it. This one I'm not going to get a whole lot of bite on anyways. I thought about opening this up. I probably will open that tooth up there, kind of like that. If you see, kind of like that. This one I can probably get bite on. These are starting to get pretty good tooth on them. Anyways, but that ought to give me enough serration to where I can dig into some roots, where before it was just a slick surface. I actually thought about just sharpening it, but I thought maybe if I had some bite to it any way, shape, or form, ought to be good. But anyways, I kind of wish I would have done, you know, this style or this style, or really like that tooth. But obviously it was the last one I did. Anyways, I kind of wanted to get like a double cut kind of thing going here, and it just didn't work out good. Trial and error. I didn't have a whole lot of trial and error to do on this, but I think I made it work good, and there's what she is. So I'll throw some paint on that and we'll call her done. I've got my template drawn out. I'll get this cut out with the jigsaw and all that, but at least I got that accomplished today. That's kind of nice. But I'm going to get this cut out because I'm going to take it to the steel place tomorrow and see if they can make me that. I'll cut it out so they've got a hard template. I don't know if they have a stylist or if they've got something that they take a picture of or what. But anyways, I'm gonna make these holes 2 3/8, or I might find the center and make them 2 3/4. I might find the center and make them 2 3/4 so the holes are there for the misalignment bushings. And in that way, they can size it to whatever size tubing they got. Hopefully they have something that's 234 outside, 134, or 2 3/4 outside, 2 3/4 inside, or 1 3/4 inside. My gosh, with 1/2 inch wall. If they do, I'll buy a couple feet of it, or I'll figure up how much I need. I don't remember. I need, I don't know, 8 or 10 inches probably a piece. 12 inches. I probably need a foot per set of ears. After it's all said and done, I think one side's 2.5, one side's 4.5, or something like that, times 2. Anyways, but I'll get all that laid out, and I'll get my pins back in this, get paint on that, get that sitting back outside, and then I'm gonna get the bucket of the mini skid cleaned up because we had snow the other day, get the salt residue out of it, and then I gotta go get the skid loader today because it's still down at my big place that we do snow. We didn't really get any snow. All I did was salt the other day, but anyways, there's the Ripper modification and making some ear templates off of it. Have a good one. I know it was a short video, but it's shorter even yet because the camera died. Anyways, but thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.